Nature of the roots. Quadratic equation. Chapter number 2. Nature of the roots म्हणजे काय? आपल्याला x च्या, y च्या, m च्या ज्या काही किमती मिळतील त्या कोणत्या प्रकारच्या आहेत? They are the real, distinct, real and equal and not real या प्रकारे असतील. Then how to decide that? यापूर्वी आपण quadratic equation, solve the quadratic equation by using the formula. If the equation is like this, ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0, then x is equals to minus b plus or minus in root of b square minus 4ac upon 2a. यामध्ये in root of b square minus 4ac or that is a b square minus 4ac वरती nature depend असणार आहे त्या quadratic roots equation च्या roots. We will write this. Then we know that x is equals to minus b plus or minus in root of b square minus 4ac for the quadratic equation. What is the quadratic equation? There is quadratic equation काय होतं? ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0. Are the roots of quadratic equation. Ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0. मग quadratic equation चे रूट्स कसे डिफाइन करायचे? That is, if in root of that is b square minus 4ac equals to 0, then x is equals to minus b 0 upon 2a, that is minus b upon 2a. Means what? There is a single root. It is a perfect square. Quadratic equation is perfect square. Therefore, x is equals to minus b upon 2. Second, दूसरा काय असणार आहे? Real and equal. Next, व्हिडिओचा स्पीड यासाठी स्लो घेतलेला आहे की तुम्ही हा व्हिडिओ बघताना लिहू पण शिकणार आहात. If b square minus 4ac is greater than 0, दूसरी कंडीशन काय असते? Then x is equals to minus b plus or minus in root of b square minus 4ac upon 2a that is x is equals to plus p square minus 4ac, एकदा आपण प्लस घेणार आणि एकदा मायनस घेणार upon 2a and x is equals to minus b plus minus b minus e root of b square minus 4ac upon 2a हे त्याचे रूट्स असतील. These roots are different. एकदा आपण प्लस केलेलं आहे आणि एकदा मायनस. प्लस म्हणजे x minus b plus minus b minus. Therefore, the roots of quadratic equations real and distinct. Unequal. वेगवेगळे असणार आहेत. Now next, if b square minus 4ac less than 0, then x is equals to minus b plus or minus in root of b square minus 4ac upon 2a. Are not real. Are not real numbers. Therefore, the roots of quadratic equation are not real. बरोबर 1 तास तुम्हाला बसावं लागणार या व्हिडिओसाठी. b square minus 4ac is called discriminant. याला आपण डिस्क्रिमिनंट म्हणतो. परीक्षेत असा प्रश्न येऊ शकतो की find the value of the discriminant if the given quadratic equation is like this. या प्रकारे डिस्क्रिमिनंट हा डेल्टा या साइनने पण डिनोट केला जातो. इट इज डिनोटेड बाय डेल्टा. या साइनला डेल्टा कॉल करना पण dl. Now next, relation between roots and the constant. Roots means what? Alpha and beta are the roots. And constant means what? A, B, C. Suppose the quadratic equation is ax square plus bx plus c, and roots are alpha and beta. Then what is the relation between them? That relation we say that the sum of the roots and the products of the roots. Now we see this. Alpha and beta are the roots of equation ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0. Then alpha plus beta is equals to we'll solve this. That is minus b plus in root of b square minus 4ac. आपण अल्फा साठी प्लस साइन घेणार आणि बीटा साठी मायनस घेणार आणि अल्फा प्लस बीटाची व्हॅल्यू काय मिळणार आपण ते शोधणार आता. That is alpha plus beta is equals to minus b plus in root of b square minus 4ac upon 2a plus minus b minus in root of b square minus 4ac upon 2a. a राहिलाय पहिल्या ह्याच्यात बाय मिस्टेक. That is a minus b plus b square minus 4ac minus b. दोघांचा बेस सेम आहे upon 2a. Therefore minus b minus 2b, and what's happening second term plus in root of b square minus 4ac minus in root of b square minus get cancelled, minus 2b upon 2a, that is alpha plus beta is equals to minus b upon a. This is the sum of the roots. म्हणून तुम्हाला फक्त लक्षात काय ठेवायचं आहे तर अल्फा प्लस बीटा इज इक्वल्स टू मायनस बी अपॉन ए. दिस इज कॉल्ड द सम ऑफ द रूट्स. आपल्याला क्वाड्रॅटिक इक्वेशन पण तयार करायचे त्यासाठी हे लागणार आहे त्यामध्ये. That is alpha into beta is equals to minus b plus in root of b square minus 4ac upon 2a into minus b minus in root of b square minus 4ac upon 2a. Now we'll simplify this. That is, this is the a plus b, a minus b या फॉर्म मध्ये असणार आहे. म्हणून a square minus b square, 2a into 2a means what? 2a square. That is minus b bracket square minus in root of b square minus 4ac bracket square divided by 4a square b square minus b square minus 4ac divided by 4a square. If we simplify the bracket, then you will get b square minus b square plus 4ac upon 4a square. Therefore, 4ac upon 4a square, 4 get cancelled, a get cancelled, you will get c upon e. That is the products of the roots, c upon e. That is, the sum of the roots is minus b upon e and the products of the roots is c upon e. This is the relation between roots of the quadratic equation and the coefficient. The quadratic equation चे roots आणि त्यांचे ABC मधला संबंध. Now next, practice set. यातली सर्व उदाहरण आपण सोडवली. त्याच्यात तुम्हाला व्हिडिओ बघता बघता देखील ते सर्व लिहिता येतील. फर्स्ट एग्जांपल, b square minus 4ac equals to 5. Activity घेतली त्याच्यामध्ये. Then what type of the roots are? Therefore, roots are real and distinct. वेगवेगळे असणार आहे कारण की b स्क्वेअर मायनस 4ac हा कसा असणार आहे? ग्रेटर दॅन 0. सेकंड, डिस्टिंक्ट. b square minus 4ac equals to minus 5. Roots are not real because b square minus 4ac less than 0. Roots are not real. Next, roots are not real. Second example, x square minus in bracket sum of the roots into x plus products of the roots. Quadratic equation जर आपल्याला तयार करायचं असेल तर कोणता फॉर्म्युला आहे तो? products of the roots, sum of the roots into x plus products of the roots equals to 0. Therefore x square minus in bracket, that is minus 1 will become plus, that is x square plus 7x plus 5 equals to 0. Because here sum of the roots was minus and minus minus that become plus. Now next, if alpha, beta are roots of quadratic equation to x square minus 4x minus 3 equals to 0. Then what is alpha plus beta? And alpha into beta. What is alpha plus beta? Minus b upon a. Alpha into beta is c upon a. Now here ax square minus 4x minus bx, ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0. We will compare this. A is equals to 2, b is equals to minus 4, c is equals to minus 3. Therefore, alpha plus beta is equals to minus b upon e. The values are minus in bracket minus 4 upon 2, minus in bracket minus 4 upon 2, and that's equals to minus minus will become plus. Alpha plus beta is equals to 2. Now next, therefore alpha plus beta is equals to 2. Alpha into beta is equals to c upon e, that is the minus 3 upon 2, which is minus 3 by 2. The next, तुम्हाला लिहायला वेळ लागला पाहिजे, त्यासाठी स्पेस दिलेला असतो. Number 2, question number 2, find the values of discriminant find the values of the discriminant x square plus 7x plus 1 equals to 0. आता पुन्हा आपण हे कंपेअर करणार आहे x square plus bx plus c. The value of a will be 1, b's value is 7, c is 1. Therefore, a is equals to 1, b is is equals to 7, C is equals to 1. Therefore, delta is equals to B square minus 4AC. The value of the B is 7 square minus 4 into 1 into C, 49 minus 4, that is equals to 40. Fine. One mistake is there. Value of the C is minus 1. Here must be the minus sign here. Minus sign पाहिजे थे. Minus sign. I am replacing that minus sign. Therefore, this will become plus. C च्या ठिकाणी minus sign पाहिजे होतं. म्हणून मी तिथे बदल केलेला आहे. Therefore, delta is equals to 53. Now next, आधीच्या क्वेश्चन मध्ये C ची व्हॅल्यू -1 पाहिजे होती. y square minus 5 plus 10 equals to 0. Comparing with a y square plus by plus c equals to 0. A is equals to 2, B is equals to -5, C is equals to 10, therefore B square minus 4AC, the value of B is -5 square minus 4 into the value of A is 2, C is 10, that is equals to 25 minus 80, their subtraction, therefore delta is equals to -55. Therefore delta is equals to -55. Now next example. Number 3. Root 2 x square plus 4x plus 2 root 2 equals to 0. Comparing with again. Ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0. A is equals to root 2. B is equals to 4. C is equals to 2 root 2. Therefore, the discriminant is b square minus 4ac. That is equals to 4 square minus 4, a means root 2, into 2 root 2. Therefore, 16 minus, root 2 into root 2, 2, 2 into 2, 4, 4 into again 4, that is a 16 minus 16, that is equals to 0. Therefore, delta is equals to 0. Therefore, the roots are equal. That is root 2x. Delta is equals to 0. Now next, question number 3. Determine nature of quadratic equation. Question number 3. Determine the nature of the roots of following quadratic equation. First, x square minus 4x plus 4 equals to 0. Therefore, comparing with ax square plus bx plus c, you will get a is equals to 1, b is equals to minus 4, c is equals to 4. Therefore, delta is equals to b square minus 4ac, that is minus 4 bracket square minus 4 into 1 into 4, that is 16 minus 16, that is equals to 0. Therefore, the roots are real and equal. Next, number 2, 2y square minus 7y plus 2 equals to 0. Therefore, a is equals to, comparing with ay square plus by plus c equals to 0. Plus by plus c equals to 0. A is equals to 2. B is equals to minus 7. C is equals to 2. Therefore, b square minus 4ac, that is a delta, that is a minus 7 bracket square minus 4 into 2 into 2. that is 49 minus 16, and the value of the delta is greater than 0, that is 33, which is greater than 0. Therefore, the roots are real and unequal. Now next, the roots are real and unequal. See this again. Next, number 3. M square plus 2n plus 9 equals to 0. Again comparing with am square plus bm plus c equals to 0, a is equals to 1, b is equals to 2, c is equals to 9. Therefore, delta is equals to b square minus 4ac, that is 2 square minus 4, a is 1, c is 9, that is a 4 minus 36, that is equals to minus 32. The roots are not real. Delta is less than 0. Next, roots are not real. तुम्हाला हा व्हिडिओ बघता बघता देखील लिहिता येतील सर्व. असा स्पीड ठेवलेला आहे मी. Therefore, find for form the quadratic equation. From the quadratic equation from roots given below. First, 0 and 4. Now alpha is equals to 0 here. Beta is equals to 4. Therefore, x square with a variable of an x square, x square minus in bracket alpha plus beta into x by plus alpha into beta equals to 0, that is the minus 0 plus 4 into x plus alpha into beta, that is 0 into 4 is 0. Therefore, the equation is x square minus 4x. This is the quadratic equation. Is the required quadratic equation. Three and minus 10. Here alpha is equals to 3, beta is equals to minus 10. Again same format, x square minus in bracket alpha plus beta into x plus alpha into beta equals to 0. That is x square minus 3 minus 10 into x plus 3 into minus 10 equals to 0. Therefore, x square 3 minus 10 minus 7 and minus minus will become plus, that is minus 30 equals to 0. Therefore, x square plus 7x minus 30 equals to 0. This is the required quadratic equation. Now next, number 3, 1 upon 2 and minus 1 upon 2. Here alpha is equals to 1 upon 2 and beta is equals to minus 1 upon 2. Therefore, x square minus in bracket of 1 upon 2 gets cancelled. 1 by 2 into minus 1 by 2, that becomes minus 1 by 4. Therefore, x square minus 1 by 4 equals to 0. This is the required quadratic equation. Now next, number 4, two minus root 5, 2 plus root 5. These are the roots. Alpha is equals to 2 minus root 5. Beta is equals to 2 plus root 5. Therefore, alpha plus beta is equals to 2 minus root 5 plus 2 plus root 5 That is plus root 5 minus root 5 get cancelled. 2 plus 2 is 4. And next alpha, that is alpha plus beta is 4. Alpha into beta, alpha dot beta is equals to 2 minus root 5 in first bracket, second bracket 2 plus root 5, that is equals to a minus b plus b means of a square minus b square means 2 square minus root of 5 bracket square, and that is 4 minus 5 minus 1. Therefore, the required equation is alpha into beta is minus 1. Therefore, x square required equation x square minus in bracket alpha plus beta, bracket complete into x plus alpha into beta equals to 0. Therefore, x square, the value of alpha plus beta is 4. That is a 4x minus 1 equals to 0. Therefore, x square minus 4x minus 1 equals to 0. This is the required quadratic equation. Next, find sum of the roots of quadratic equation is double the product, their product, find K. This is the condition, that is sum of the roots of quadratic equation is double their product if equation is x square minus 4k x plus k plus 3 equals to 0. Then comparing with ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0. Therefore, a is equals to 1, b is equals to minus 4k, c is equals to k plus 3 equals to 0. C is equals to k plus 3. Now, what is the condition? Sum means what? Minus b upon a. But by given condition, alpha plus beta is equals to 2 times alpha into beta. But what is alpha plus beta minus b upon a? That is equals to 2 into c upon a. That is a get cancelled, which is minus b upon 2c 2c, and therefore 2c plus b equals to 2c plus b 2c plus b equals to 0. Therefore, substitute the values. 2 in bracket k plus 3 plus value of the b minus 4k equals to 0. Therefore, 2k plus 6 minus 4k equals to 0. That is minus 3k minus 2k is equals to minus 6. Therefore, k is equals to minus 6 by 2 minus 2. Therefore, k is equals to 3. Now next, number 6, alpha and beta are roots of y square minus 2y minus 7 equals to 0. Find alpha square plus beta square. Now see this. We'll first of all find out the value of ABC, then alpha plus beta, alpha into beta. Comparing with ay square plus by plus c equals to 0. Therefore, a is equals to 1, b is equals to minus 2, c is equals to minus 7. Therefore, alpha plus beta is sum of the roots minus b upon a. That is a minus in bracket minus 2 upon 1, that is equals to 2. Alpha plus beta is equals to 2. Alpha into beta, that is equals to, that is 2. Alpha into beta, that is equals to c upon e. That is minus 7 upon 1, that is a minus 7. Next, now alpha square plus beta square. In the formula side, alpha plus beta bracket square minus 2 alpha into beta. Middle term अपन साथ में पढ़ करना. That is alpha plus beta is the value of is 2. 2 square minus 2 into minus 7, and that is equals to 4 plus 14, that is equals to 18. Therefore, alpha square plus beta square is 18. Next, second, that is alpha cube plus beta cube. Is equals to alpha plus beta bracket cube minus 3 alpha into beta in bracket alpha plus beta, that is again alpha plus beta, the value of alpha plus beta, alpha plus beta is 2, alpha into beta is minus 7, 2 cube minus 2 into 3 into minus 7, into 7 into again 2, that is 8 plus 42 equals to 50. Hence alpha cube plus beta cube is equals to 50. Now next example, question number 7. The roots of each of the following quadratic equation are real and equal find K. First, 3y square plus ky plus 12 equals to 0. Therefore, here comparing with ay square plus by plus c equals to 0. Then you will get a is 3, b is k, c is 12. Therefore, condition or real and equal b square minus 4ac equals to 0. That is a b square minus 4ac. Substitute the value of b, k square minus 4 into 3 into 5. Therefore, k square minus 12 square therefore the roots are a square minus b square या फॉर्म मध्ये तयार होतील. Therefore in first bracket k minus 12, in second bracket k plus 12. k minus 12 in first bracket, second bracket k plus 12. Therefore, k minus 12 equals to 0 or k plus 12 equals to 0. Therefore, k is equals to 12 or k is equals to minus 12. Therefore, but we take the answer, the value of k is at 12 or minus 12.